Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. There are very few people who do not use calculators. We all need a calculator. Someone's scientific, someone's general. Normally we need a general calculator when we do calculations. Those who study can use the scientific calculator of iPhone if they want. I will show you how to use scientific calculator on iPhone and share some tips and tricks with you. Let's get started. The first trick is how to use a scientific calculator. First, open calculator app. Then you have to take the calculator in the landscape mode. We can see that the scientific mode is moving on the calculator. Now you don't need any kind of third-party app to use scientific calculator on iPhone. Enjoy the scientific calculator from the iPhone's default calculator app from now on. Now we will look at the second tricks. If we want to delete any digit to be typed in the calculator, we have to delete all the digits at once and then put the new digits again. If we work in this way, we are more likely to be wrong. For example, here I am showing you a few digits. Here I put a few digits, but some digits are missing. Here I will show you how to put the missing digits without deleting all the digits. Digit 5 is missing here. Now I will add digit 5 without deleting all the digits. Now if we drag from left to right of the calculator, a digit will delete it. This way we can easily replace the missing digit without deleting all the digits. Now we will look at the third tricks. Here we can copy. Here we can copy the result of the calculator if we want. For example, here I am taking a result of addition. And I will copy this result and need to press finger on the result to copy. After pressing the copy option will come up and you have to copy it. Now if we want we can see the last copied result of the calculator in the control center of your iPhone. Open control center, press and hold the finger on the calculator apps. Then our result will show. So this was today's video. If you like the video, please like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.